Nice video. Clear and straight to the point. Phenomenal video. Quick, easy, and to the point. Awesome job. Thank you. Well done video, bro. Probably the best rundown possible. Best explanation on YouTube. Explanation was perfect. Best explanation I've come across yet. Thank you for being quick and precise. So fast. How does this guy have only 229 subs? Why only 75 subscribers? In spite of only having 71 subscribers, great tutorial, and only 20 subs. This video deserved more views, and this channel is worth more subs. Yes, truest comment of the year. You are such a great guy. Thank you. Too bad you only have this video. You would have a great channel if you had more of these. Thank you. Very accurate. You should do more videos like this one. Bro, one video? Come on. Let this be a lesson to all of you out there that the comments you leave on the internet don't go unnoticed.